Imagine a world where healthcare isn't just about treating illness, but about empowering individuals to care for themselves, to reclaim independence, and to live with dignity. Welcome to the transformative vision of Dorothea Orem's self-care deficit theory.
Dorothea Orem's self-care deficit theory states that nursing is required when people are unable to meet their own self-care needs. Self-care includes basic activities that maintain health and well-being, such as eating, bathing, and resting. When a self-care deficit exists, nurses provide support through different systems, by fully caring for the patient, assisting partly, or guiding them to care for themselves. The goal of the theory is to restore independence and promote better health.
Now, to truly understand how Orem's theory works in real life, let's follow the journey of a student nurse as she discovers what self-care deficit really means, both for patients and for the role of a nurse.
Person's specific abilities and self-care
What does that even mean? Self-care deficit? Ano daw?
Sir, kamusta na po kayo? So, bale, ito na po. Siya na po muna yung mag-explain sa inyo sa mga gamot nyo na may reseta sa inyo, ha? Ito na muna bala kayo, sir, ha?
Sir, bale, ito po yung gamot nyo. Ito is...
Mukhang problemado ka, anak, ha? Can I help?
Pwede po ba? Ang hirap kasing intindihin. Dorothea Orem self-care deficit theory.
Of course, anak. I studied that before and I even applied it in my practice.
Talaga po? Pinag-explain ko nyo na.
Gladly, I once had a patient who had just undergone surgery. They couldn't do many of the things they normally did. But as their nurse, of course, I stepped in. Not because it was my job, but because they needed care to recover.
Bangon ka muna, anak.
Good morning, sir. I'll be your nurse for today, and I would like you to rate your pain from the scale of 0 to 10, sir.
7.
Okay, sir. Thank you po, sir.
In Orem's theory, when patient cannot meet their own needs, like managing pain or hydration, the nurse provides support.
So, sir, ito po yung gamot na binigay ng doctor sa inyo na kailangan niyo pong inumin.
나의 두 눈을 감으면 떠오르는
Ayan, sir, magpahinga na po muna kayo. Sir, naka-schedule po kayo ngayon na lumabas para makalanghap po kayo ng fresh air. So, tara na po, sir. Tulungan ko na po kayo.
No, ayoko.
Sir, kailangan niyo pong lumabas.
No, ayoko.
Nurse, anong nangyari dito?
Sir, kailangan niyo po kasing lumabas, pero ayaw niya.
Tara na, anak. Sige na.
At first, my patient didn't want any assistance. Ayaw magpahalata ng kahinaan, but eventually, they allowed me to help. And in Orem's view, the turning point, recognizing that sometimes we all need support. I gently moved and exercised the patient's leg and feet, helping keep their circulation and comfort.
Pinaliguan mo talaga, ma?
Hindi naman literal, anak. Nasa labas lang ako, ready in case madulas siya. Pero oo, I help with bathing and dressing. That's part of holistic care, anak.
Iwan ko po muna anak ko sa inyo. Wait na kasi ako sa trabaho.
Sige po, sir. Ako na pong bahala.
Sige.
Paano kung magmahal ka ng isang taong bawal mahalin sapagkat siya'y nakalaan na para sa iba? Tatanggapin mo ba siya na mawala para hindi magkasala o handa kang magkasala maglamang siyang mawala?
I was there through the recovery until they could stand on their own again.
MK ba to, ma? Ang dami namang flashbacks.
Pwede rin anak, but that's the reality of RM School. Helping patients when they cannot care for themselves and guiding them back to independence.
So, the theory is really about supporting patients until they can meet their own needs again.
Exactly, anak. And sometimes, the greatest nursing intervention is the simplest act of care.
North ARM self-care deficit theory guides nurses to support patients who cannot fully care for themselves. In our story, the mother provided pain relief, hygiene support, leg exercises, and companionship, promoting comfort, circulation, and independence. The theory's strength lies in restoring self-care and holistic well-being, while its limitations include dependence on patient cooperation and available resources. Ultimately, even simple attentive care can make a profound difference in the patient's recovery and dignity. As ARM reminds us, nursing is helping others care for themselves.